How to use promo code in Taptap Send. Now in this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can redeem or enter the code that you have for you to be able to use it on Taptap Send. But before doing so, make sure that your Taptap Send application is going to be updated to the latest version, so you will have this kind of feature as well. Now open up the app, and for you to use the application, you must create an account by using your Google account or any available application that you can use for TapTap Send. Choose the specific currency where you would like the money to be sent out. And then once you successfully chose one, you should be able to see these exchange rates below. Now on the next page, you should see an option that says have a promo code, and then you just need to tap on that and then enter a code to get a bonus credit on your next eligible transfer. Make sure that you will only be using one specific code at a time because it might not be longer working on your next transfer. And that's it. That is how you use promo code on TapTap Send.